Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 11th June 2025, starting with Forex Factory. Tomorrow is important day because we have heavy impact news in USD, and you can see that we have at 1:30 p.m. These are the UK times. I always trade in UK time, so I'm in UK. So see. We got cores CPI MM, CPI MM, and CPI YY. So we have these news today. There's a very impact. They may have a good impact on the movement of all the USD currencies in general, and particularly we're looking for gold. So let's see on the chart now what's going to happen. What can happen tomorrow? Monthly, we're still in the second week. No clear picture at the moment. And weekly, still second day of the week, and we haven't got any clear picture at the moment. Let's see in daily what's happening in daily. Well, daily, we discussed here this level, then we discussed this level. Now I did say that we can expect rejection from here, and previous to the we expected down to the downside here because this order block was tested here, liquidity sweep as well. And now I did say that we can expect some movement to the upside from here. And what happened? Exactly, market gave us the movement. And now going into smaller time frame, see what's happening. In fact, stay in the daily. This is this kind of morning star, and it gave us went to the upside, now coming to the downside. So it's going up and down. But the important thing is this level is not broken. If it's broken, then our next target will be around here. And if that's broken, then we have this target. So I hope it's not broken. And we go to 4-hour chart, see what's happening in 4-hour. And 4-hour, this channel is being formed. And then we have this smaller channel. We had this trend line. Break, test, and then to the upside. And we have this level here. So we got this level here, 33.20, which has been tested. Where there was a liquidity sweep in 4H and in 1H as well, as you can see here. It's a more clear picture here. The market came down, and 4H, we had this level fair value gap, and in 1H, market went to the upside to fill up this fair value gap, and because there was a there was a 4H level here as well, where the market went from there to here. Now what we can expect? It's possible the market can come down this level, and from there we can see move to the upside. Well, let's see. It's nothing guaranteed, but that's what can happen. Well, if you want more detail, you can always go to smaller time frame and see. So in smaller time frame, you can see as well that market has to break this level if it has to come down. And even you go to 5 minutes, see what's happening. So there's nothing much going on, nothing. So best thing is just stick with the levels. This is one level around 33.20. The next target is this around 3300. So as I drawn this channel, it's possible the market can come down here and then to the upside. But if this is broken, then probably we can see this breaking as well. So ideally, because this level is already been tested, so we got good trade from here to there. Then before that, we had a trade from here to there. So brilliant trade. So plenty of good trades. Today we had very good trading day. Hope you made some profit. So from here now, we'll basically look for this break to the downside, and this fair value gap will be filled. Can we buy from here or buy from here? If not, then we'll sell on retest, which I don't think it can come that down, but it's nothing impossible in market. We have to look for the evidence. Look, this is 4 hour chart, and this has already been tested. So I don't think market may come down to the downside, especially the market is have to remain bullish. It shouldn't come down and break the levels here. Well, looking at the price as I made earlier answer, yeah, it's possibility that as in 1 hour, this can be tested here. So always look for the confirmations, and I use moving averages as well. If you want to know more about moving averages, how to use, if you're not sure with the structure, so if you have good structure knowledge and you use moving averages and RSI with it, so it increases your probability, and that it can be a very good way of uh, doing your trading. So I leave it to it, the guys, and I hope it's useful. And if you have any questions, please do comment. And thank you very much. Bye bye.